So for the women asking me about their children having persistent cough and catarrh, okay, this is all you need. Half lemon, then your ginger and a purple onion, and then honey. Okay, I'm sorry I didn't get honey here. Okay, the one I've had with me finished, so I have already ordered for another, so bear with me. Get these 4 items. Cut this lemon into pieces, little small pieces. Peel your onion, slice it into pieces. Peel your ginger, slice it into pieces. Put them all into a pot. Add about half a liter of water, okay, and boil it. After boiling it, you get 10 ml. That's 10 ml cup you use to measure medicine. Bring it out. Add half spoon of honey into it. Mix it very, very well. That is for children who are up to a year. So if your baby is not up to a year, do not use it. Okay, so most of the people who are asking me and their baby are not up to a year, just tell them your baby do not need this. But if your baby is up to a year, your baby needs, as long as the child is having persistent cough. The child might not necessarily be having persistent cough. The child might just be having cough. This remedy is effective in treating it. It will break the phlegm, help the child to cough out the mucus, and release the child totally from the hold of this catarrh and cough. And I must warn you, most cough medicines that you buy are not healthy for your child's kidney. So most times try these remedies, home remedies. It will help you to solve your problem faster than all these cough medications that you buy, and at the end of the day you end up putting your child at risk. Thank you so much for stopping by. I would like to see you next time. Don't forget to like and follow me. Thank you so much, and bye.